Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're exploring one of the most advanced technologies in modern manufacturing, the CNC machine. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, a revolutionary system that has transformed the way products are designed, cut, carved, drilled, and manufactured. From furniture production and woodworking to aerospace and automotive industries, CNC machines deliver unmatched precision, speed, and efficiency. Every CNC project begins long before the machine starts cutting. The process starts with a digital design created using CAD, or computer-aided design software. Engineers and designers create a detailed 2D or 3D model of the product, ensuring every measurement is accurate. Once the design is complete, it is converted into machine instructions using CAM software. These instructions, known as G-code, tell the CNC machine exactly where to move, how fast to cut, and how deep each tool should travel. After the program is loaded, the operator carefully prepares the machine. The correct cutting tool is installed, the workpiece is securely clamped to the machine table, and the machine is calibrated. Proper setup is essential because even a small error can affect the final product. Now, the CNC machine comes to life. The spindle begins rotating at thousands of revolutions per minute, while the cutting tool moves smoothly along multiple axes. Guided entirely by the computer program, the machine performs every movement with incredible precision. Unlike manual machining, every cut is perfectly repeatable, making CNC technology ideal for both prototypes and large-scale production. As the cutting process begins, the machine removes material layer by layer. Depending on the project, it may cut straight lines, smooth curves, detailed engravings, or complex three-dimensional shapes. Whether working with wood, aluminum, acrylic, plastic, or composite materials, the CNC machine maintains exceptional accuracy throughout the entire operation. One of the biggest advantages of CNC technology is automation.